And we are in front of a new Carabus Grey 600 MA edition fire from Weinsberg, and this is a new edition for this model year. And well, we can check the starting price is 60,290. With this price of this model is 69,512. Well, let's check inside and if we have some changes from the last year. Well, we are seeing the standard Fiat Ducato chassis with the 9-point speed automatic shifter, and well, the smaller dinette size because we have almost a longitudinal bed on the back with the standard Weinsberg cabinets, and well, with the overhead compartment still on, so we had much more space inside. From this part, the Truma heating element, my bottle water just dropped, and then well, the standard Weinsberg 2-burner stove with an 3 cabinet part from this side, and similarly weird position for the actual Vitrifrigo fridge. I don't like this part, but well, they design it like that. Additional storage units like there, and one big large cabinet for your kitchenware. Well, going on from this part, we have this slightly newly redesigned actual washroom with the Thetford cassette toilet and 2 cabinets with additional storage right up there. Pretty standard, not so much space. And if we go on the back, we are looking at 3 large cabinets from this part and 3 large cabinets from that part, with a longitudinal bed going all the way back. So from the larger part we are looking about 2 meters, but if you go from this part to the actual window frame, we'll be looking at 1.831, but still pretty big and spacious, of course. With the large, it's large, about 1.904. Not bad at all. Well, going out, and we will be checking the garage, because in this style of campervans, the garage is also pretty important. And if we check the garage, we can see that it's pretty uniform style, and it's actually pretty square all around, with an actual, it's 1.38 long, and on the widest part it's about 1 meter large, so not bad. With the storage for the actual gas compartment, we will be closing that on and finishing this review for the new Weinsberg Carabus Grey MA 600 2026